Yes, very closely. It's going to be a very slow mover here. And here's the very latest, the 10 o'clock advisory with Tropical Storm Beta. Now, winds are up to 60 miles per hour. If you remember the 4 o'clock advisory, they were at 40. And it does look like the Hurricane Center put the position of the storm a little bit closer to that burst of convection we saw all afternoon long. Now, as we put the forecast track into motion, not much change in the thinking, at least in the near term here, as we head through the course of the weekend, generally heading north through tomorrow, and then a bend toward the west here as we head into Sunday, perhaps gaining hurricane strength by this point as well, and then continuing to put it into motion. Notice the very slow movement of the storm here as it nears the southeastern Texas coastline sometime Monday into Tuesday. Again, still perhaps as a Category 1 storm here, and then the latest track continues to make that northeasterly turn, perhaps getting pretty close to the Texas-Louisiana state line as we head sometime into the day on Wednesday. But notice the cone of uncertainty. Really a lot of uncertainty here, especially as we get into this part of the forecast. So we're going to have to continue to closely monitor this system all weekend long and at least into next week. But even with this track forecast and with us being potentially on the eastern side of this system, an increase in our rain chances and tides is likely heading into next week. So mid to upper 60s for the lows tonight, and then rain chances will sit at around 20% tomorrow with another partly to mostly cloudy day. High temperatures will struggle to get into the lower 80s. So coming up, we'll have a look at the complete weekend forecast and, of course, have the very latest with Tropical Storm Beta.